They say Biafra Liberation Army in serious battle with the Nigeria military. No be small thing, no. They say one village for Katsina don't go host military with bandits, and bandits carrying heavy arm come the military. No be small thing. Things are happening. They say Nigeria Army don't come outside. Say they don't kill 3 IPOB and they don't kill some Biafra Army. No be small thing, no. This one shocked me. Okay, my wonderful people. Yeah, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be smart, you know. As they welcome for inside this channel, I beg, may you no forget to share this video, share it, and also not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update as they hot, and don't forget to follow our page. Will be smart, you know. We'll go look into the Ogwenge news where we'll get for hand today. They say Biafra Liberation Army very heavy battle with Nigeria Army as they shell. Now they bring and they can't give you. We'll go play you the video. May you hear as the thing they shell, and we'll come back, continue more. Don't forget to share the video after finish watching it. Or yeah, watch the video.
We the fire, they go. Open the water.
That's up.
Welcome back, my people. As I've watched that video, I see waiting they go on for that side. What would they hear? And kaka no be smart, you know. Things are really happening. Hey, they shell. And it they happen. I mean, they bring and they can't give you as it they happen. More will go look into the waiting they go on for Katsina, as they say the bandit they go host meeting with bandit for inside Katsina. No be smart, you know. These people get my share for this Nigeria. Where would they? We say Ohaneze Ndibo and other this thing, all the whole chiefs and Igbe also all of them. They see this thing where they happen. Hey, no be small thing. See, if in the southeast they say go catch IPOB. If they bring news say they don't kill IPOB, everybody go they happy. I want more watch this video and we'll go ahead. We'll get a lot of things to talk today. We'll get a lot of things to church hand today. I'll go ahead, go play the video, then we'll come back and continue. Stay tuned and watch the video. This thing is happening in Katsina. They say as the community go home meet with a bandit and they happy, say the military go well for them. I know be smart, you know. We'll watch the video first, we'll come back.
Hello Sunusi. Da Allah ina son kana ji. Ka biyo bakin hanya duka ka gaya ma mutane cewa da Allah ga Fulani nan za su zo su wuce ba ruwan kowa da su. An yi magana ne yanzu za su zo wucewa kawai za su. Ka gane abu bakin hanyar nan kar wanda ya ce wani abu ga su nan wucewa kawai za su yi. Da Allah abi ga su nan za su taho yanzu da Allah. Abi a gaya ma mutane.
Welcome back, my people. As I've watched that video and see how these people are comfortable, even though you look inside that video, you see some of them are in military uniform, and there's no Nigeria did not come. Not that this meeting is not fixed. Nigeria Army didn't go there, but why is it if it is in Southeast? Go and capture Biafra. Go and capture ESN. Go and capture Biafra Army. Like today they have paraded. Oh, they have neutralized 3 Biafra Army. They are happy jumping up. But this is happening before our eyes. This is happening before our eyes. You people that call yourself the leaders, if your youth rise against you, you will regret even getting old to be where you are. My people, no be small thing o. As you watch that video, e shock me. They say these people have a peace conversation with the community, and the community is explaining that they are happy and they are looking forward to get more. They are looking forward to hold peace talk with them. No be small thing. Okay, my people, no be small thing. We will go look into the next ogbonge news we will get for hand today. They say Nigeria Army Police announced killing of 3 IPOB ESN fighter in Abia State, recovering of 6 local-made rocket launcher and others. You see, this is what we are talking about. This news now, they will be happy, pushing it everywhere. They have captured the IPOB ESN, this one, that one. But Katsina are hosting meeting with terrorists. It's in the same Nigeria we are. When you talk through, you die. When you don't talk through, you still die. Oh God. It's not by force believing in one Nigeria. It's not by force in believing in one Nigeria. So let me read the reply of Simon Ekpa regarding this information that I'm giving you right now. And here is what Simon Ekpa replied to them. Simon Ekpa said that the image here has nothing to do with Biafra Liberation or ESN under my command, Simon Ekpa. They should stop attaching every Tom and Jerry to our gallant BLA, ESN and BRF. We are in touch in all our commander. Report our visits to 103 Battalion Enugu and stop propaganda. Actually, I reported before that Biafra Liberation Army 103 Battalion. I reported this and I said that there was an attack in Nigeria 103 Battalion Enugu. But did you see that on social media? No. I say most of things that will be carrying out here, we're telling you people is happening, but they refuse to show it. And today they'll not go and capture this Keke Napepe and come here to show us. They are happy, saying that Biafra, they have captured Biafra army, they recover gun, they do this, they do that, they do that one. But my question still remains that the terrorists are having meeting with the community in Katsina. Is it not in the same Nigeria we are? Is question I'm asking these useless Igbos that think they go to school, that think they have the opportunity to be a leader, or that think they have the opportunity to be where they are today. You don't use your brain to think proper. The people are keep showing intimidation open, and you people are still there running about like fools. Some things do pay me. It's because of the love I have for Igbo people. Could you imagine? However, my people, let's go and look into the next ogbonge news where we get for hand today. Not be smart, you know. We are still bringing update of what is going on in Biafra land today. Not be smart thing. They say the sit at home is really strong in all part of Biafra territory, and there is no movement totally. So it's the same news that Nigeria police, Nigeria army, Nigeria this thing, the same news all of them reported today. They have done. What about the government that be kidnapping people in Enugu Road? Did have them rescued those people? They then go after them because they know that it's Fulanis and they can't go after them. So however, we are going to look into what they happen for all part of the country today, and stay tuned as they bring updates back to back as they happen. Many updates day to day. Just stay tuned. We'll bring a coin. I beg, may you not forget to share this video. No forget to leave a comment and your own opinion for all the whole video wey we don show you for here today, or the whole ogbonge news wey we don bring come for you. And no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very important. Subscribe to this channel. Na so we go see you for the next update. Take care. Thank you for watching.